Good morning or afternoon or whatever it may be in whatever part of the world you're in. I am introducing you to an artist. His name is Ben of Ben's Art Studio. I will put a link in the drop down box underneath this to Ben's YouTube channel and also to the video that inspired me. That I've seen of Ben's. It was one of Ben's feather pulls with yarn, we'll call it string in Australia. So, but I want to introduce you because Ben was come up in my recommended feeds, and I didn't notice anything special about Ben Buddy's art, of course. And of course I, had a look because I could see this beautiful feather. And seeing that obviously Ben has worked very hard to get a very nice body, but not that I've noticed that whatsoever. But Ben, you do some awesome artwork, and it is worth popping over to Ben's channel when you have finished watching this video, if you can contain yourself, and having a look at Ben's art. And please consider subscribing because, as you know, I have featured several up and coming artists along with some of your favorites, so always willing to give up and coming artists and our favorites a little shout out on my channel and a link to their particular channels. Hopefully in the future soon Ben and I will do a little collaboration together, choose something of each other's particular art form and go from there. So I will get down and let you know I am painting on this lovely oval canvas, and I'm going to do the Ben's feather paw, and I have just coated the bottom with, it was silver and white mixed, the base coat tilted over the canvas as you've seen. And now I'm going to use from my squirty bottles, sort of these bottles that I already had mixed up with paint, and I do believe some of the paints in the bottles are poster paint, just with my pouring medium as in the description box below this video. So I will just let you watch this progress and then jump in when I feel I need to explain. So there you go. At this point now, I am laying the yarn or string. This was just off a roll of string that I got from the online supplier. So I suppose you can get it anywhere. Now, I must tell you, Ben, I did struggle a bit with this yarn. I obviously need a bit more practice with this particular string pull feather because I made mistakes, good and proper, so I was using, I just thought it would be easier to pick up with that. I'm getting all wound up. Easier to pick up with those little tweezers. And I actually went off quickly trying to look for, I've got a crocheting hook. And I thought, oh, my crocheting hook, I can grab hold of the yarn and start to pull the yarn with my crocheting hook. But do you think I could find my crocheting hook? By hook or by crook, I could not find it. So get back here, Jilly, and start some painting. There you go. I couldn't find my crocheting hook, so I decided I would pull it with this tweezers that I have, little. So as you can see, I kind of feel as though it, well, I did not feel as though, it definitely was pulling most of my paint off of the canvas, but I just persisted with it and relaxed and went with the moment, just seeing what it would actually turn out like in the end. So the other side I will continue on with laying the yarn for the other side. That was it. Is this right? Is this right or is this wrong? So same process again after you've just seen what I've done with the paints. I am taking it up this way. I think Ben did it similar to this or the same. I don't think Ben was having anywhere near the amount of trouble I seem to be having, but I know that Ben did embellish it by hand at the end, so I'll just go with it and see what I can get after my embellishments with it and go on from there. As you see, I'll work with it and yeah, just keep going. That little tool I'm showing you is just a piece of the soft plastic file divider that I normally use for swipes, and I've cut it with teeth. I think Ben used the same little tooth tool, but he used it from he used a kitchen roll cut up, and I have used my little toothed soft plastic file stuff before several times in past videos for ages ago, and I've made a little tool with a offset handle spatula and put my little toothed swipe on it, but today I didn't. I just used the toothed swipe just in my hand so I could control it a little bit better. As you see, you can't see very well, but I do sort of blacken the ends in so you can actually see how I've cut it further along, and then I'm just using that fine tooth of that soft plastic to add detail to my feather. Well, as you've seen, I'm just finishing off some of the finer detail. I was actually, very happy with it. So I'm sure I'll improve with a few more goes. It kind of was a bit, a bit of a wreck at points. I was getting into a bit of a tangle, but I hope that I did okay, Ben, and hope to see more of your work, Ben, and hope that you all like this swipe. So I will be here again tomorrow with another piece for you, and when this particular one is fully dry, I will give it a coat of resin because I think that my feather will pop. So until tomorrow, stay safe, look after one another and create. Bye for now.